Oh dear. I really need to wash my clothes today, but to be honest, I have never used a washing machine before. It looks so complicated.
Don't worry, Emma. I can help you with that. Honestly, once you know how, it is a piece of cake.
Really, Norman? Have you actually used this machine before? It has so many buttons.
Yes, many times. I have done my own laundry every single week since I was at university. You could say I am a bit of an expert now.
Thank goodness. I was so afraid of making a mistake and ruining everything. Well, first things first. Before we touch the machine, the clothes must be separated. Separated? Oh, why is that? Can't we just put them all in together to save time?
Oh, no. That is a big mistake, Emma. If you do that, you might have a disaster on your hands.
A disaster? What kind of disaster?
Well, you see, you cannot mix bright colors and whites together in the same wash.
Oh, I see. But why?
Because the colors can bleed. That means the color is washed out of one t-shirt and into another. It can easily ruin your beautiful white clothes.
Oh no! I have a lovely white shirt in here that was bought for me by my sister. I would be so sad if it turned pink.
Exactly. So we must be very careful. Let's separate them first.
Okay, let's see. So the bright colors go here, and the whites are placed over here?
Spot on. Look at you. You are learning so quickly. Now, we can put the colored clothes into the drum of the machine.
Okay, let me put them in there. The colors are in. What is the next step?
Next, we need the soap. This liquid is called laundry detergent.
Detergent. That is a fancy word. How much of it should be added?
Just a little bit. We measure it like this. See? Just one small cup is enough.
I see. One small cup. I will remember that.
Excellent. Now, close the heavy door until it clicks, and then press this round button.
Like this? Ah! Oh, it is starting to spin! Yes, it has started. Now the clothes are washed by the machine. Oh, well, that was not so hard after all. I was worried over nothing.
You see? It is quite simple. Now we must wait for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Oh my, that feels like a long time to wait. Time flies when you are having fun, Emma. We can sit down, have a cup of tea, and chat.
That sounds lovely. But tell me, what about the white clothes we left behind?
Ah, yes. They are washed next, but we must use hot water for them.
Hot water? Why is that?
Hot water cleans white fabrics much better. Dirt and stains are removed more easily when the water is warm.
There are so many rules. I have so much to learn.
But you are doing wonderfully. Step by step, you will get the hang of it.
Listen, the machine has stopped spinning. Is it finished already?
Yes, the cycle is complete. Now we take the wet clothes out.
Oh, they are so wet and quite warm, too.
Yes, indeed, wet and warm. Now they must be moved to the dryer.
The dryer? What is that exactly?
It is that big machine right next to the washer. The clothes are dried inside it using hot air.
Oh, so it is like a giant hairdryer for our clothes.
Exactly. That is a perfect way to describe it.
Right. In they go. Let's close the door. What now?
Just press this start button here, and then we wait another 30 minutes.
Ah, dear. Another 30 minutes? There is so much waiting in the laundry world.
Yes, it is a slow process, but that is the secret to clean clothes. It takes time.
Well, I am certainly learning a lot of practical things today.
And look at that. You have learned how to do your own laundry.
Oh, wait. What about my favorite white shirt?
Do not worry. We will do that batch next. Remember? With hot water.
Oh my goodness. More laundry? It never ends.
It never does. But now the skills have been learned, and you can do it easily.
Yes, you are right. Let's get those white clothes started.
That is the spirit, Emma. You are becoming a true laundry expert.
An expert? Maybe not yet. But at least I am not terrified anymore.
And that is the most important step of all.
Thank you so much for your help, Norman. I really appreciate your patience.
It was my pleasure, Emma. I actually enjoy teaching these little life skills.
Oh, the dryer has stopped. Let's see.
Perfect. Let's open it and see how they feel.
Oh, wow. They are so incredibly soft and warm.
And they smell wonderful, don't they? Now they can be worn again.
I did it! My very first load of laundry has been finished.
Yes, you did, with just a little bit of guidance.
Yes, indeed. You really are the best teacher, Norman. Thank you.